Hello, Kayleen. This is Cisco from Amplified. I actually spoke with Rachel earlier this morning, and I mentioned that I would send out this free video doing a website audit on your website and just giving you some tips and tricks you can do to help increase your Google rankings for the Comfort Authority. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. Some of the things that I look for, Kayleen, is your content. Do you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords? And basically, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. I see some keywords here like AC repair, heating and air services. I'm also looking for buyer intent keywords, meaning that do you have the AC repair with the service area that you guys do service in. So that's super important to have, and the reason being is because that allows you to tell Google exactly what terms you want to be found for. So let's go ahead and jump right over to this next tab. So this tab helps me understand how strong your website is performing. And it's also going to help me understand what keywords you're currently ranking for, right? And this is super important because if you're doing AC repair in Tampa, you want to make sure you tell Google that you service AC repair in Tampa. Now, let's jump over to this section. So this section here, this is your power or authority score, and this is your trust or trustworthy score. You want to do have like a golden ratio, meaning that these numbers are very close to each other of at least 30 and above. That is considered a strong website. Now, you currently have over 2,000 backlinks with only 330 referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these backlinks and referring domains, they act like an endorsement for your site, which allows you to increase your trust with Google. Therefore, they're going to increase your Google rankings. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. Now, if you were to get, for example, a backlink from Pizza Hut, it could actually hinder your overall performance of how you're being ranked, which these would also be affected. The last thing I want to go over is let's look at what keywords you're being ranked for. Once again, though, I'm looking for buyer intent keywords because these are all national keywords, and I'm looking for specific area plus the type of work you service, and I currently don't see any on this first page, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right over to your competition and see how they're doing and see also what they're being indexed with keywords. So I'm looking at their content. Do they have 1,500 words, and do they have keywords? And look, heating and air conditioning service in Tampa Bay area, that's one type of keyword. But let's jump over to this next tab and let's see what keywords they're being indexed for. And look, air rescue, and this is what I'm looking for. AC repair Tampa. Okay, so when someone's typing this in Google, it's because they have an issue with their HVAC and they need support. They have an issue with air conditioning, which is why they're typing AC repair Tampa. Now, this here is the volume. Approximately 400 people are searching for this every single month. And since you're not being indexed, therefore, you're not going to show up on the Google rankings for AC repair. So look at now this is another keyword, Tampa air conditioning repair, 450. Now you add these up, approximately 850 people are searching for this. Imagine all those opportunities of you getting these additional clients, which is going to help increase your revenue for your company. Now, let's just take AC repair Tampa and let's type it into Google and see what pops up. So this here is the Google guarantee or the Google ads. And currently you guys, the Comfort, are doing Google ads. So every time someone clicks on here, guess what? You got to pay a certain CPC is what it's called. This here is your sponsored, once again, Google ads. And then this is my favorite. The reason why this is my favorite, because this is the Google My Business page, and about 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. And currently I don't see you guys in the top 3. So imagine that amount that you're missing out based on the volume, which is 400, approximately 400. And the last thing I want to go over is the organic listings. So we have Air Rescue Florida as number 1. We got Yelp here. We got a Cree plumbing, and then 1 hour heating. So these are just folks that are organically being indexed based on what they've doing on their website and is being organically ranked on the first pages of Google. Anyhow, Colleen, hopefully that you found some value of the information I shared. If you would like more information how you can continue increasing your rankings, please shoot me an email, respond back to this email, and we can talk a little bit more on how you can do those things. And then if I can get some feedback, that would be amazing. We'll love your thoughts on this video. Were you able to take some things away? If so, you can also give me a call at 509-949-9300. Thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.